In this video, I will show you how to create like this product animation using Canva. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Canva and choose video resolution like this. And after that, you have to go on this background and go right now to element and search for this and click on video and choose the video that you want to use, this one, and click right click and set video as a background and decrease the duration to 3 seconds and go right now to text, click add text, and you should add your text. After adding your first text, you have to go to font and change the font to this font. Choose the transparent one, this one, and change the color to white like this and make it like this and duplicate it, and here add your second text. This is my second text, as you can see right now. Just put them on the right place like this and select them and put them on the middle like this. So after doing that, go to element and go to shapes, select this one and change the color of these shapes to white, and you have to hide all the parts like I'm doing. Duplicate it, wait, and hide right now the other part, and also you should hide this. Let me see right now the result. Yeah, it's good now. Right now click add a page and go to background color and change the background color to this gradient one and click here and choose a circle gradient and change this color to maybe this one, I think, like this. And right now go to text and click add a text and add your second text. Change the font to any font that you would love to use. I will use this one and I will change the color to white. And after that I will make it italic style and go right now to effect and make the shadow like this, and I will increase it, and right now I will just put it like this, rotate it a little bit, and right now duplicate this text and right now write your second text. Click right click, click on right click layer, show layers, and make this behind this. And right now let's make them look good. I think right now select them and put them on the middle of the page like this. So after doing this, go to animate and choose pop and decrease the duration like this, and also this one, animate pop, increase the duration here like this. After finishing this, go and add a page, and right now you have to add your product. This is my product image. Click on it and remove background and select it on the right place and come here to the timing and increase the timing and click on it and click on animate and go right now to buzz line and increase the duration or the speed, and let's see right now. Make it like this, and right now go to download and download just this third page. Select just the third one and download it. After downloading your video, just drag it here and delete this one and change the background color to white. Go right now to your upload and drag your video here and go right now to element and search for frames and search the circle one and put this video inside the circle like this. Click on the circle and just try to make it on the right place on the middle. Just I will make it a little bit small and click double click, and right now you have to click on the product and make it on the middle. Let's see now. Now it's good. After that, guys, we will add another page, and here we will select our product. Go to upload and select your product, remove the background and go right now to element and search for this and choose any picture that is good for you. This one for me, and I will put this one here. I will rotate it a little bit like this and put it here. I will rotate this one and make it on this place. Right now, guys, click on apps here and search for typography. Search for these apps typography, and right now you have to write your text and change the colors from here. I would change first to this orange and here to a little bit pink like this. Click right now add to design, and this is my text. I will just put it here on this place, and I will duplicate it and add the second text right now. Click upload, update element. Click right now, right click, layer, show layers. Make this here and make this here. So make sure that you do this step. And right now just make them on the right position. Oh. Date element. Right now when you are sure that is on the right position, go right now and duplicate this page. Click here and click duplicate page and click on this page, and right now just rotate this like this and make it on the middle like this, and also this one make it like this and put it here. This one also increase it and put it here. This one. So right now try to make them on the right place for you. This one I will just put it, I will just put it like this and put it here on this place like this, and make them small, make this small. So right now guys, when I finish, I will go between the first pages, click add transition and go click circle wipe and click on out like this and make the duration here, and go right now to add transition between the second and make the same effect like this, and come here, click add transition, click right now flow and come on the last one, add transition, and click match and move. Make the duration like this, let's see. And right now guys, here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, leave a like, leave a subscribe. See you in another video.